If you want to disable the AI features in Opera GX, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Opera GX includes built-in AI tools, but many users prefer a cleaner browser experience without them. First, open Opera GX. Now look at the bottom left corner of the browser window and click the Settings icon. You can also press Alt and P on your keyboard to open settings instantly. Look for Opera AI on the left and click it. Alternatively, you can search for AI services in the search settings. You should now see the AI-related settings inside Opera GX. Like AI button in the toolbar, AI prompts, or Chat GPT in the sidebar. Turn Opera AI off collectively to turn everything off, or turn those toggles off one by one based on your preferences. Depending on your Opera GX version, you may see slightly different names for these settings. Once the AI features are turned off, you can close the Settings tab. The AI tools and shortcuts should now be removed or disabled inside Opera GX, in case if you still see them, restart the browser. And that's it. You've successfully turned off AI features in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Opera GX and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching.